Police imposters are back on the headlines yet again. And tonight, detectives have commenced investigations into a former radio presenter to have been masquerading as a National Intelligence Service officer, fleecing Kenyans for an unknown period of time. Michael Njoroge Wairimu, a former Kameme radio presenter, was arrested at Kasarani Estate and arraigned in court, accused of collecting huge amounts of money from unsuspecting people. KTN's Crimes and Investigations reporter Francis Ontomwa reports on why this is making a national security puzzle.
In what law enforcement agencies now describe as deception of the highest standards, Michael Njoroge Wairimu is putting to face a security question that might leave Kenyans worried and more worried. Members of the elite flying squad arrested him at a house in Kasarani. Law enforcers saying he has stolen enough in the name of the police. The 34-year-old said to have previously worked for popular radio station Kameme FM was dismissed in 2010 under unclear circumstances. Investigators say he has been using the NIS name to collect money from police bosses, government ministries, and even the Attorney General's office. Monies amounting to hundreds of thousands. So just how will this have gone unnoticed over such a long period of time? And how many Kenyans have been duped by Njoroge and his ilk? Shockingly, during the arrest, he was found in possession of documents relating to the ongoing Kenya Power tender case, still in court.
There is no need, you guys, eh?
It is only days since another imposter was netted at a house in Syokimau. Moses Moigai was arrested with tens of identity cards, 2 firearms, and more than 700 bullets, all impounded from him. Moigai was allegedly crores away from fleecing businessman Francis Mboro, the man at the center of the 3.2 billion Ruaraka storm.
I'm a friend of the Organization of National Intelligence Service.
But they say they don't know you.
Fine, if they don't know me, well and good. They'll prove that later.
How about, I've seen the office of the DPP, the office of the CABS, you have the office of the immigration, you have the office of anti-corruption. Do you work in all those companies, all those NGOs?
The organizations, I don't work with them.
But you have their
Yes,
cards.
yes.
The residency has said that
I never give myself these cards or any certificate of appointment. Who give you national identity card? Who give you national identity card? Is none other than the government.
So the government gave you this?
He is aware. The government is aware.
And it is this man, Joshua Waiganjo, that shocked the country in 2013. For close to 10 years, Waiganjo passed off as a top policeman and accused of sacking and abusing junior officers while attending top security meetings. Detectives are asking for 3 days to investigate and charge Njoroge in court. But to many Kenyans, the emergence of imposters is not only a national security question, but also a valid question to Kenyan security apparatus. Francis Ontomwa, KTN News.